Colorful Cute Kids.
Hey friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo and Loula to celebrate Christmas. It's going to be so much fun. Let's begin. First, I'll draw Pocoyo. Let's start with his eyes, then his nose, and don't forget his happy smile. Next, I'll draw his hat. He's wearing a Santa hat. Doesn't he look adorable? Now, I'll sketch his body and add his arms like this. Time to draw his legs. Look, he's wearing cute little boots. Pocoyo is standing on a present. Let's draw the gift box right here. Now, let's draw Loula next to Pocoyo. I'll start with his eyes and nose just like this. On his head, I'll add some reindeer antlers. Isn't that fun? Loula is such a loyal and loving dog. Next, I'll draw his floppy ears and his body. Let's add his four little legs too. Now, let's draw a Christmas tree. First, I'll add a big, bright star on top so sparkly. Then, I'll draw the tree trunk. Time to decorate. Let's add some ornaments to make it look festive. I'll use this black marker to outline everything and make our drawing stand out. Let's color Pocoyo. I'll use red for his outfit and black for his boots. For the gift box, I'll use yellow and green. I'll color Pocoyo's skin with a soft cream shade. Now, let's color Loula. I'll use orange for his body. Finally, let's color the Christmas tree. Green for the tree and lots of bright colors for the ornaments. Wow! Our Christmas drawing looks amazing. You all did a fantastic job. Great work, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.